Cool. I'll check out these woods because yesterday actually, I was over there. There's a field next to this woodland. There's a big woodland over there. I was there yesterday exploring the old bomb shelters and stuff like that. According to my map, there should be only one air raid shelter. And I counted 7 at least blast shelters, which are not meant to be there because they weren't on the map. So pretty cool actually. Yeah, I just found this remains of a air raid shelter. Entrance would be in that bit. Or it could be that way. Yeah, it might be that direction. Completely destroyed, as you can see. I don't get up there. Yeah, sorry, entrance that way. Yeah, you can see all what's left of it. Just a big pile there. It's be quite big, goes all the way down to there, beyond those 2 trees. And I've just seen all that metal. So that could be the remains of an old Nissen hut, I suppose. It's pretty damn old, so I'm guessing that was nearby here as well. That's an old drain or something. Oh, that was all. Yeah, it looks like the old roof of one. Yeah, it does look like it. You can see the old bitumen on it, so yeah, it could be that. Not too sure. There's not much else, which was kind of weird because why would you have one air raid shelter? That's it. But yeah, it could be where the huts were as well. Could be another accommodation. What's that? Oh, better straight. Could be another accommodation part of the old airfield, which used to be where the M5 is. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's definitely part of it. And they're going to have to find some more bits and catching the jiffy. Excuse me. I just stumbled across these bits of concrete. Definitely something that's really, really reinforced with metal bars. So no idea what this was for. Some sort of, that's obviously the roof. That's what was part of it, I guess. A wall and a roof to it, I guess. I don't know what's. Definitely bits and pieces there. Oh. Could be part of the toilet, I guess. I don't know what it's from. But definitely something. Bit weird. Anybody knows what that is from or what it's for? Give me a shout, because I have no idea. Yeah, I've just spotted something I don't want to film really. I'm gonna give you a guess. Yeah, I ain't gonna take a picture of that because that's just quite rude. Put it this way, it's something a man would wear just before making out. But I guess what I'm talking about anyway. The blue packet and begins with a D. It's right over there. But yeah, that's just gross. But hey, whatever take your fancy really. But yeah, it's more. I didn't get a shot of that. Reinforced bit of the concrete. So it could be where the toilets were, I guess, but there's bits of concrete down there. Yeah, it's bits of big slab over there. So yeah, it could be where the toilets were, I guess, I don't know. But there's no photographs the base from the air that you would expect. Absolutely nothing. But I'm going to keep exploring.